Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device. Don't wait. Plug into power or confirm battery is above 50% and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Once connected, make an iCloud or computer backup so you can recover if something goes wrong. Next, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The system will check for available updates. While it checks, keep the device awake and on Wi-Fi so the download begins without interruption and you avoid corrupted files. Once the update appears, tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode if prompted to authorize the action. The device downloads the update package. Make sure you stay on the same Wi-Fi and limit other bandwidth use so the download completes faster. When the download finishes, choose Install Now or Schedule Tonight. The phone will prepare the update, restart, and apply changes. You'll see progress bars and a restart. Let the process finish without unplugging or forcing shutdown to prevent update errors. After the restart, follow on-screen setup prompts. You may need to sign back into your Apple ID, and the system will finalize settings. If the update fails during download or install, first free up about 1-2 GB of storage, restart the device, and retry on the same Wi-Fi. If problems persist, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to update or restore. This gives a more robust recovery path. One tip: keep a recent backup before attempting major restores.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.